Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia G22, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this device. To do it, firstly, we need to take a picture, of course. So firstly, we need to take a photo, so open the camera and let's take a photo. Great. Now open the Photos application. We have Google Photos app by default on this device. So it's here and let's remove it. Click and hold, click remove, go it, move to trash. Great, we have removed the photo from Photos application. So now we need to recover it. In which way we can do it? So firstly, we need to open the library. It's this button on the right corner of our screen. Then choose trash. And here we have our deleted memories. So if you need to recover it, if you have only 30 days, if you don't have enabled backing up feature, so if backup is disabled on your device, you can only 30 days to recover. But if you have enabled backup and you have free space on your Google Cloud storage, so you have 60 days to recover your photos or videos. So click and hold on the memory you want to recover and click restore, and great. Memory was successfully restored. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.